You're watching Gamer for Life. Today I'm unboxing the Sensor gaming mouse, gaming headphones. So let's get started. So here's the box. Here's the box. Stereo headset, SEP 626. And it's like this and got paper. So let's open it. So it's kind of easy to unbox. Here it is. Yeah. So they're very, very nice. And look at this. Look. Just look how this looks. Let's not waste any more time. And the cable is long. It's like almost 2 meters, I think. I guess. And yeah, very nice, comfortable. They're gonna be very comfortable here. We got this shiny thingy. Sensor. SEP 606. Okay. Here they have kind of that. And on me, I look like this when I put it on. And they look very nice. Very nice. So yeah, that's about it. Really hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing of the headphones. Gaming headphones. So that's my second unboxing on my channel. See you in one more unboxing. Comment down below, like, comment, subscribe, and yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Peace.